Hi guys, welcome back to the Home and Homestead. Today we'll be doing a Spring Renewal Decorate With Me video. I'll be changing the bedding on in our bedroom here. What we have on the bed currently is what we usually have after Christmas time during the winter. It's more neutral color scheme, more calming after the busy holiday season. And now it's springtime, so I'm ready to change things up and put our spring and summer type comforters and sheets on. And you can help me decide which decorative pillows you like better on the bed. I'll give a few options. You can leave your choice in the description box below. Over the weekend I shampooed all the carpets. I like to do that in the spring after a long winter, you know, with all the snow and mud and things that get tracked throughout the house. And you do a little shampooing and freshen up the carpets as well. So once that thoroughly dried, I gave everything a nice vacuum and the house just feels clean and fresh again. I will leave in the description box a link to my website where you can have a printable recipe of my homemade carpet shampoo concentrate solution that you can put inside of your carpet cleaning machine and give your house a nice carpet refresh as well. So now back to the decorating. Let's take down the comforter and pillows that we have on the bed now and take out the sheets, and we'll put something a little more bright and spring and summery. So let's get to it. So here are the sheets I picked out for spring summer refresh. It's a pretty flower theme with blue and gray and yellow flowers and leaves with little bumblebees and things like that on there. And I spritzed a little Italian linen spray. So I like that to kind of freshen up the room a little bit. And the headboard there I made a few years ago with some wood scraps, and we disassembled a couple pallets and I cut them down to random sizes and angles and just made this kind of rustic headboard. Alright, so we have the new sheets and fresh blankets and the nice linen spray on, so already it's feeling crisp and renewed. So let's get the comforter on. So here is the spring summer comforter. It's a really nice soft material. It's a subdued gray with cream and a buttery yellow color. It's really nice and refreshing, and I like this for the spring and summer. So let me put the coordinating pillow shams on the king size pillows, and you guys can help me figure out which decorative pillows I should leave on for this part of the season. Okay, so we could stick with the plaid. We'll call this option country. We could do the home sweet home pillow. We'll call that simple. You could do a cream and a coordinating gray pillow. We'll call this neutral. Or we could do some mixed patterns and call this one colorful. So let me know which of the four options is your favorite in the description box below. I'm thinking right now I'm leaning towards the country option, which I have on the bed right now, and then maybe later in the summer switch to the colorful pillows that kind of brighten it up even more for the middle of summer. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video today and decorating with me. If you're new around here, please consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Hopefully this inspired you to do some spring renewal and change up some linens and decorative pillows and little touches around the house to get ready for the new spring summer seasons. Hope you're having a wonderful day. See you next time. Take care.